We are excited to announce that on February 22nd, we are going to launch an event called Revealing the Unrevealed at Vital Gandhi Center. This brings the ethos of Woxsen University to bringing all school faculties under one platform to rediscover and invent the things and see how ideas can be translated into tangible forms. As the world is moving forward towards globalization, it's very important to restructure the learning methodologies and processes which has been taught in our subject domain to meet the demands of 21st century. And for the same, it's very important to have a cross-collaborative approach to design the future you.
With Unconference, we are trying to conduct a unique event at Woxsen where faculty from different schools are going to interact in an intensive yet fun manner. The event is broken into two parts. The first part being idea exchange, where the faculty from various schools will share their ideas with the group. And the second part of the event is cross-pollination, where we are looking on how to take a few of these projects forward in a collaborative and a multidisciplinary manner. Thank you.